Easy Christmas sugar scrub recipe to make at home. Get into this holiday spirit with this easy and fun Christmas sugar scrub recipe that you can make at home. This homemade sugar scrub is perfect to exfoliating and moisturizing your skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth, made with simple ingredients like sugar, coconut oil, and essential oils. This DIY Christmas sugar scrub is a great gift for friends and family, or an advent calendar, or a wonderful treat for yourself. Have you ever made a sugar scrub yourself at home? If yes, let me know what is your favorite. If no, follow along with this easy recipe to make your own Christmas sugar scrub at home and enjoy the festive scent of the season with its easy to follow instructions and short preparation time. This Christmas sugar scrub recipe is perfect for anyone looking to add a little holiday cheer to their skincare routine. Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. To start the easy Christmas sugar scrub recipe, I take 1 cup of sugar. I use the cane sugar from Costco. You can take any sugar you like. Then I take a 1/4 cup of coconut oil, melted. So I melted it before in the microwave, and then I pour it in. It also can be refined or unrefined. I add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, 16 drops of orange essential oil. You can take any essential oil you like, and 8 drops of peppermint essential oil. This combination is my favorite for Christmas. It smells so good. I like to use that, but feel free to use whatever you like. Then I stir everything well to make sure everything is well combined, essential oils, the other oils, and the sugar. I prefer the wild orange essential oil. The smell is really good, but even clementine would be good too, or tangerine or something like that. I like that combination of vanilla, orange, and peppermint, but peppermint is very strong, so I would use less of peppermint so it's not overpowering. And the peppermint gives the nice feel on the skin. So once I mixed everything very well, I transfer the sugar scrub into a bowl I like. This is 1 cup of sugar, so you use something where you can fit 1 cup in, or if you want to make it as a gift, you can use a mason jar or something like that, and decorate it nicely for Christmas and give it as a gift. I made this recipe last year for an advent calendar, and I got quite a few requests for the recipe, so it was very good. I used only 1/2 cup for each calendar. It's enough for a few uses, I think. It depends how much you use, of course, but it is very good and it smells amazing and it feels so good on the skin. Yeah, so I just pour everything in, close the lid, and it's ready to use. And this is how it looks. I think it looks just beautiful, and it is a very good gift. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite smell for Christmas, like in a sugar scrub, or all kinds, like what kind of smell do you like for Christmas? So here is a close-up look. It's like brown sugar. It looks like brown sugar, but yeah, it's very, very nice. It feels very nice on the skin. The peppermint is so nice, cooling, and the sugar gives so nice blood circulation, and yeah, the skin just feels so soft afterwards. The coconut oil gives a smooth skin, and all the old skin is getting off, and you have very nice skin then. I like to use it all over my body, even on my face. But yeah, use it wherever you like to use it and what you decide. If you enjoyed my video, please like, subscribe, and share my videos with others. That means so much to me and it helps my channel a lot. Thank you very much. If you have a recommendation or a wish, you want a video which I should make, or you wish me to make, let me know in the comments. I might make a video about what you write. I'm really interested in knowing what kind of videos you like to watch, and maybe I can make some of those videos. Let me know. I would be very happy about that. So thank you so much for watching. Maybe you want to watch this video next or this playlist. See you there. Bye.